What just happened, baby? What just happened?
That's the first one right there.
Hey, let's hang out a while. Another one may come in. Well, it's March 26th. I killed a bird yesterday, and my buddy Pinson here called me up. He said he had a pasture and he thought they had birds on it. Well, there's one less on it now.
It's the first one, first ever. And this one last weekend and got redemption this weekend, and just blessed to have that opportunity. And I'm still shaking.
Didn't hear any on the limb. Called probably every 15-20 minutes, and finally one cut me off about 200 yards in this pasture over here behind us with the cows in it. And I told him to get his gun up, and dang, next time I called, he cut me off, and I'd see his head pop up over the hill about 80 yards, and as y'all see, hey dang, he came right on in and Pinson smoked him. Now, about to head to church. We'll catch y'all next week.